The more we value things outside our control, the less control we have. It is not events that disturb people, it is their judgments concerning them. Remember, matter. How tiny your share of it. Time. How brief and fleeting your allotment of it. Fate. How small a role you play in it. When someone is properly grounded in life, they shouldn't have to look outside themselves for approval. Be tolerant with others and strict with yourself. A man, when he has done a good act, does not call out for others to come and see, but he goes on to another act, as a vine goes on to produce again the grapes in season. When you have assumed these names, good, modest, truthful, rational, a man of equanimity, and magnanimous, take care that you do not change these names, and if you should lose them, quickly return to them. When jarred, unavoidably, by circumstance, revert at once to yourself and don't lose the rhythm more than you can help. You'll have a better grasp of harmony if you keep going back to it. It's time you realized that you have something in you more powerful and miraculous than the things that affect you and make you dance like a puppet. As if you had died and your life had extended only to this present moment, use the surplus that is left to you to live from this time onward according to nature. Nothing has such power to broaden the mind as the ability to investigate systematically and truly all that comes under thy observation in life. People with a strong physical constitution can tolerate extremes of hot and cold, people of strong mental health can handle anger, grief, joy and the other emotions.